Let's unbox and set up the ELITE Multifunction Arm Rest H base. Let's see what's inside. Step 1. Install the base frame. Place the nuts into the 4 holes one by one. Then screw in the bolts. Next, hold the bolt in place with a wrench. And use a larger Allen key to tighten it securely. Step 2. Connect the cushion pad to the gas lift column. We are now installing the adjustment handle. Please make sure it is positioned on your left side. Step 3. Connect the gas lift column to the base.